Alright, so this dropship niche report, I'm actually going to skip this jumpsuits here because this is like a fashion item that's, sold usually 30 bucks or something. So I'm going to go to fishing rods and see if there's any high-end fishing rods available out there. I'm actually going to type in high-end fishing rods. Ooh, there's one, fly fishing rods. Oh, did you notice what I did there? I just want to make sure you understood. Like, I typed in fishing rods, but then I typed in high-end, and then one thing that stuck out was this fly fishing rod. Now, Google will give you all these results here, so you can always check this out. Fly fishing, ice fishing, telescopic fishing, bass fishing, surf fishing, custom fishing. Well, I might even just screenshot this because now I have like a list of all these other types of, fishing rods or whatever that I could possibly look at. So I'm going to pull up anything niche that I see. I'm just going to skip over the ones that I know for sure are broad sites because honestly, they're just not even worth looking at. And it's got to say like something like fly fishing and then a word after it. If it says Vision Fly Fishing, it's probably a brand, so I'm not going to worry about that. All right, so Tackle Direct, obviously. That's a good one. Let's see. I don't even know it. If it doesn't, if the URL has nothing to do with the niche, then I'm not even going to click on it. Okay, let's just look at those two we found so far. Sage Fly Fish. Yeah, it's probably a brand. Not gonna worry about that. Tackle Direct. Okay, so we got Tackle Direct. Let's see what they sell here. It looks like they're a really big one with our retail store, so can't mess with those guys. All right. Let's just say this might be a review site. Yeah, it looks like it. So, kind of like an outdoor review site. They cover fishing, hunting, camping, hiking, paddling, shooting, survival. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here. Just because this might be a niche for affiliate marketing rather than dropshipping. That does happen. Oops. All right, cool. So now that we've discovered that, let's go ahead and get back into here. Fishing rods. And let's see if we can find anything here. Fishing rods, fishing rods, fishing rods. Let's try fishing rods for sale. Angling Direct. Fishing tackle shops. Let's check that one out. All right, I'm going to look at a couple of these prices here, and wow, this is a very expensive pull. $3,000. That's interesting. I wonder who else sells this thing, because this is obviously some sort of a very big established website. Might be just a UK based kind of thing, but yeah, it looks like it kind of is. Not sure what that is. Fishing tackle shop, okay. Fishing rods. These are other brands here, but they probably have some sort of a storefront. No, nothing's listed here. They've obviously been around for a long time. This is Australian based, by the way, not even US based. Yeah, and they do have a place, okay. Alright, well, we can't do much with them then, can we? Not sure what the deal here is. This looks like a niche store. Bristol, that's, I think, an Australian city. Alright, well, nothing that I can do here. So it looks like this niche is kaput, but it might be a good one for fishing rod review. Or no, usually put is like, yeah, see Wirecutter does one. The best fishing rod guide. There we go, see. Fish finder source. I'm not sure what that is. It's good to see these niche sites ranking. This kind of stuff is really good to see. So I'll go ahead and put that here. I think the deal here is that, look at the pricing, 30 to 70, you know. It's just too low to do drop shipping with. Yeah, it looks like this is another niche site. So this is definitely a niche I would avoid any kind of e-commerce in, that I would just go specifically for an affiliate site. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and delete all this stuff and just go straight to the keyword section here. Go to kwfinder.com, type in fishing rods, and see what I can find. Being that there's, you know, a few of these specific, S Outdoors isn't really specific, but there's more of them, you know, there's a couple already, so it's a good thing to be aware of. So let's see here, search volume, fly fishing, okay, so that's cool. So I'll just go ahead and extract all these keywords here, copy to clipboard, and boom, you got a big list of keywords now. I could highlight all these and tab them in, oops. That way you have them there. Okay, so it's definitely an affiliate niche. I'll go ahead and wrap this video up and we'll get on to the next niche.